Our first unit, Fourier series. First question, A bit. Find the Fourier series to the function f of x equals to x square in the interval open 0 to pi, and hence deduce the particular infinite series whose result is pi square by 12. We know that the Fourier series to the function f of x with the period 2 pi is f of x equals to a naught by 2 plus the summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cosine nx plus bn sin nx. Consider the Euler coefficient, that is a Fourier coefficient according to Euler's formula. A naught by 2 equals to 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, where f of x square. X square, its integration with respect to x cube by 3. Consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi. We have obtained 4/3 pi square. Let us consider the Fourier coefficient an by using Euler's formula 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cosine nx dx, where f of x is now replaced with x square. To evaluate this integral, we can apply Bernoulli's formula. Let us take x square as it is. Cosine nx, its first time integration sin nx by n plus follows negative x square derivative 2x. One more integration to this sin nx by n, negative cosine nx by n square, negative follows positive 2x derivative 2, negative cosine nx by n square, its integration negative sin nx by n cube. The next consecutive terms come together 0 since 2 is the constant and its derivative 0 with respect to x. Consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi. We have obtained 4 by n square is the result of the Fourier coefficient an. Similarly, we need to find the Fourier coefficient bn by using 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx, where f of x is replaced with x square. According to Bernoulli's formula, we have obtained this particular expression x square sin nx integration negative cosine nx by n, x square derivative 2x, negative cosine nx by n integration sin nx by n square, 2x derivative 2, negative sin nx by n square integration cosine nx by n cube, plus follows negative, negative follows plus, and consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi for x. We have obtained negative 4 pi by n, that is the result of the Fourier coefficient bn. Already we have obtained a naught by 2 an bn. Substitute these values in the series, hence the required Fourier series to the function f of x a naught by 2 plus sigma an cosine nx plus sigma bn sin nx, a naught by 2 an bn substituted with the proper values. The next part is deduction. Our interval is open 0 to pi. We need to get the particular series that contains square terms. So by trial and error process, that is by inspection, we can substitute x with pi, f of x square, therefore it is only pi square, 4 pi square by 3 plus 4 times of 1 by n square, cosine n pi whose result negative 1 power n, third term come together 0 since sin n pi 0, pi square that equal to 4/3 pi square plus 4 times, when n is replaced with 1 we have negative 1 by 1 square, when n is replaced with 2 we get positive 1 by 2 square, proceeding this way for the next terms. After simple algebraic calculation, we have obtained the particular series whose result pi square by 12. It is only the deduction part. First question B bit, show that the Fourier coefficient an is 1 by pi times of n square plus 1 into 1 negative e power negative 2 pi for the function f of x e power negative x in the interval open 0 to pi. It will be given for 3 marks. We know that the Fourier coefficient an by using Euler's formula 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cosine nx dx, where f of x e power negative x. To evaluate this integral, we can use a particular reduction formula, otherwise we cannot get the result. We know that integral e power ax cosine bx dx 1 by pi constant e power ax by a square plus b square a cosine bx plus b sin bx, where a negative 1 b n, just we have substituted a by negative 1 b by n only. Consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi. After substitution for x by upper and lower values, we get 1 by pi times of n square plus 1 1 negative e power negative 2 pi. First question, last bit, it is given for 2 marks. Make use of Fourier series to the function x plus x square equals to pi square by 3 plus 4 times of the summation n vary from 1 to infinity negative 1 power n by n square cosine nx negative 2 times of the summation n vary from 1 to infinity negative 1 power n by n sin nx in the interval negative pi to positive pi, and hence prove that pi square by 12 equals to 1 by 1 square negative 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. It is for 2 marks, just we are given that the Fourier series to the function x plus x square. Our interval is negative pi to positive pi. To get this particular series that contains square terms, so by trial and error process, when we consider x is equal to 0 and substitute x by 0 in this series, we have obtained 0 plus 0 square, that is 0, pi square by 3 plus 4 times of, when x is replaced with 0, cosine n0 cosine 0 whose value 1 negative 1 power n by n square sin n0 value 0, therefore the third term neglected. Just by simple algebraic calculation, we have obtained the particular series that consists square terms is pi square by 12. We can write either first question or second question from unit number 1. Second question A bit, obtain the Fourier series to the function f of x equals to pi negative x by 2 square in the interval 0 to pi. Here we are given that the function f of x pi negative x whole square by 4 in the interval 0 to pi. We know that the Fourier series to the function f of x equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n vary from 1 to infinity a n cosine nx plus the summation n vary from 1 to infinity b n sin nx. We need to find the Euler coefficients a naught, a n, b n by using Euler's formulae. Consider a naught 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, where f of x pi negative x whole square 2 square will be 4, 1 by 4 pi constant pi negative x whole square whose integration with respect to x pi negative x whole cube by negative 3. Consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi. After substitution for x by lower and upper limits, we have obtained pi square by 6. Let us consider the Fourier coefficient an 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cosine nx dx, where f of x pi negative x square by 4. According to Bernoulli's formula, 1 by 4 pi constant pi negative x square cosine nx integration sin nx by n plus follows negative pi negative x square derivative 2 times of pi negative x whose inner derivative negative 1 sin nx by n, one more time integration negative cosine nx by n square. Later we have negative follows positive, 2 times of pi negative x into negative 1 derivative only positive 2, negative cosine nx by n square integration negative sin nx by n cube. Consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi. We have the multi signs and simplify in the unique sign. We have obtained this expression. Let us consider the limits between 0 and 2 pi, and it is only the upper result and also lower result. Simplify this expression. We have 1 by 4 pi times of 4 pi by n square. After simplification, the Fourier coefficient an is obtained as 1 by n square, where n vary from 1, 2, 3 and so on. We need to find the Fourier coefficient Bn by using 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx, where f of x pi negative x square by 4. So after simplification, 1 by 4 pi is outside of this definite integral. We know that a result on definite integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equals to 0 only when this condition well defined, f of 2a negative x equals to negative f of x. Let us look into this particular condition for this particular function. Assume that pi negative x square sin nx is g of x. Consider g of 2 pi negative x, pi negative, wherever we have x replaced with 2 pi negative x whole square sin n, x is now replaced with 2 pi negative x. It will be negative pi plus x square sin of 2n pi negative nx. It is negative pi negative x square sin 2n pi negative nx is negative sin nx. So it is equals to negative g of x. This condition holds here. Therefore, without computing this definite integral, we came to conclude that this definite integral value is 0. Therefore, the Fourier coefficient Bn whose value is 0. Therefore, the required Fourier series to the function f of x a0 by 2 plus summation an cosine nx, where a0 by 2 pi square by 12, an is 1 by n square, bn value 0, where f of x pi negative x by 2 square and right hand side thing is unchanged, which is only the required Fourier series to the function pi negative x by 2 whole square in the interval open 0 to pi. Now we will discuss second question B bit. It will be given for 3 marks. Show that the Fourier coefficient Bn is 3 by n pi for the function f of x equals to 2x negative x square in the interval open 0, 3. It is an arbitrary interval. Here we observe that the period is 3, let it be 2l. We know that the Fourier coefficient Bn when the interval is an arbitrary interval whose period is 2l, 1 by l integral 0 to 2l f of x sine of n pi x by l dx, where f of x 2x negative x square. Instead of l we can write 3 by 2, 1 by l, l is 3 by 2, 1 by l is 2 by 3, l is 3 by 2, 1 by l is 2 by 3. This integral can be achieved by using Bernoulli's formula. It is a second degree 2x negative x square sine 2n pi x by 3, its first time integration, plus follows negative 2x negative x square, its first time integration 2 negative 2x, one more time integration to this bracket expression is negative 9 by 4n square pi square sine of 2n pi x by 3, negative follows positive, 2 minus 2x, its derivative with respect to x negative 2, one more time integration to this expression is 27 by 8n cube pi cube cosine of 2n pi x by 3, and then consider the limits between 0 and 3 for x. After simplification, 2/3 we will get this expression value as 9 by 2n pi, that is only 3 by n pi. Second question, C-bit. Test whether the function f of x is even or odd and hence find the Fourier coefficient Bn, where f of x modulus of cosine x when x belongs to negative pi positive pi interval. Our objective is to verify whether this function is even or odd. We need to know that the interval having same constants having opposite signs or not. Yes, it is the constant pi and consists opposite signs. We are given that f of x equals to mod cosine x, x belongs to negative pi positive pi. To verify whether this function even or odd, let us consider the function value at the negative values. F of negative x equals to modulus of cosine minus x, that is modulus of cosine x equals to f of x. We know that f of minus x equals to f of x. That means the function which is defined at negative values of x equals to the function at positive values. Hence, we came to conclude that the given function f of x is even function. When it is even function, obviously Bn is equal to 0, where Bn integral negative pi to positive pi f of x sin nx dx, mod cosine x even and sin nx, the result is odd function in the interval negative pi to positive pi. Without actually computing Bn value, we came to conclude that the Fourier coefficient Bn is equal to 0 when the function modulus of cosine x defined for the interval negative pi to positive pi